Presenting the MCP Jindal Premium Height Adjustable Walking Stick. This walking stick comes in two color variants, silver and brown. The MCP Premium Walking Stick has an elegant look and durable design. Made up of lightweight and sturdy aluminium construction, this premium walking stick is a perfect aid for senior citizens. The adjustable height of this stick expands from a minimum 29 cm to a maximum 38 cm. You can adjust the height of this folding stick in a few simple steps, as it has 10 height adjustable levels. So, you just need to push the button to slide through holes. Once you get the desired height, release the button. The heavy-duty slip resistance base of this premium stick provides you a better stability. The comfortable and ergonomic handle grip reduces pressure on the wrist. The MCP Jindal Premium Walking Stick comes with a brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.